Hi, my name's Rosalind and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new to social media and looking to learn digital life skills, you're in the right place. I'm going to help you navigate your way through this ever-changing technical world. This video is called Using WhatsApp on iPhone, and I'm going to show you how to use this free application to send messages to family, to call them, to send pictures, and even do quick stories, all for free. And at the end of the video, you'll be happy you learned it and able to use these free benefits they offer. First thing you'll need to do is download the app called WhatsApp. And when it asks you for access to your contacts, you need to say yes, because that's how the application works. So let's move over to my phone and I'll talk you through the application. So if you don't have the WhatsApp application downloaded on your phone, you'll need to go to the Apple Store and download it. So just go into the Apple Store and click search and type in for WhatsApp. Now once it brings up the application, on the right you'll see there it says open. That's on my phone because I obviously already have it, but yours will probably say something like get. So you'll need to click on that and wait for it to download and just follow all the instructions it gives you. And when it asks you to have access to your contacts, you need to say yes. So once the app's been downloaded, just double click on it to open it. Now here at the bottom left you'll see it says status, and at the top you can amend it. So if you click on the camera, you can actually add a picture from your photo album, you can take a picture, you can take a video. If you go back and you use the little pen, that actually enables you to be able to write something. So if you wanted to write something under your status, you could do it there. You can change the background colour, change the pen colour, etc. Now looking at the second icon along for calls, if you click on that, that will show you the calls that you've had. And that's all calls, and then at the top you can click on missed calls, and that will just show you calls that you've missed, you didn't answer at the time. Clicking the telephone here in the top right gives you access to your telephone book, where you can search for a contact or you can scroll. And when you've found the contact, you can either click the blue phone or the little video camera, which will let you do a video call. Clicking on the camera at the centre in the bottom takes you directly into your camera, where you can select a picture, you can make a video that you want to send to one of your contacts. Using the buttons at the top on the right, you can add a sticker, you can add an emoji, and you can add text, coloured text, and using the pen, making an animation. Once you have everything set in your picture, then hit that blue arrow going to the right, which will take you into the address book where you can select the contact you want to send it to. Moving along now to the chats at the bottom, if you click on that, this is where you can create a new group. So say you wanted to set up a family group chat. Click on that and go in here and add your family members to set up the group. And there's also another option to set up a broadcast list. The difference between the two lists being that people in the broadcast list won't know who else is in the broadcast list, but with a group chat everybody will see. So now looking at the last option on the screen at the bottom, which is your settings. If you go in there and click on your name, that will take you into your profile. Now here you can select from one of the pre-written sentences to use as your profile setting. Starred messages. Now think of these as saved messages. So I've gone into a message and I've held my finger down on it and I've clicked the top one to say star, and it's put it into this folder. Now the next one down shows you how to use WhatsApp from your computer by scanning in a code from your phone. So just go through the instructions that they're giving you here to give you access. Now going into the account gives you other options you can amend here, specifically going into the privacy account. So you might want to scroll down here and look at a few options that you might want to update. But one particular one is if you want to block someone. So click on blocked, and then here you need to type the person you want to block. Alternatively, you can go to the contact and scroll down their page and click block the contact there. So now all your account settings are up to date. You can go into the chats menu. Now here, this is where we can change our wallpaper, our background to our screen. Now they give you a couple of options. solid colours or some pictures, or you can also use your own photos. But I'm just going to select a colour here, and then it's going to give me a preview of what it will look like, and if I like it I can decide to set it or cancel and choose another one. So going into notifications, this is where you can change the ringtone when someone sends you a WhatsApp message. I think it's quite helpful to have a different tone on this than there is on your normal telephone. So if you click on sound, you can go in and have a look at the options, click on it and it'll give you an example, and then set the sound you want it to make when you get in a WhatsApp message. Now finally, data and storage usage. Now this is where you want to make sure that all the 4 at the top are all on Wi-Fi. This is a free application to do anything as long as it's via Wi-Fi, so you need to make sure they're all set the same. So watching back this video, I realised I forgot to tell you something which is quite important. So when you send a message, you get 2 little grey ticks on the right hand side of your message to say it's actually gone to the WhatsApp app. Now when the person you've sent it to reads it, they will turn blue. So when you see 2 blue ticks next to a message that you sent, you know that they've been received and they've been read. If you found this video helpful, then please give it a thumbs up, and I'd love you to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also hit the notification bell so when I upload new videos you'll get notified and you'll be able to learn along with me. So thank you very much for watching this one, and until next time, bye.